Good day everyone, this is Jake Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to use ternary operators in C++ programming language. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. So let's get started. We are already here in our Dev C++ integrated development environment. So the first thing that we'll do is to write the comment. So in this example, we will using the ternary operator to check if the age given by our user is adult or still a minor. Here in the Philippines, the legal age is 18 years old. So first thing first, I will write here the file name of our program, legal age. Underscore age.cpp, and then I will write my name as the author, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Today is date. Today is October 7, 2019. Okay, here we will declare the library file sharp include iostream, and then followed by using name space std. Next we have here int main. The int main is the starting point of our program execution. This is a function. So next we will declare a variable int age, and then we initialize the variable to 0, and we'll have a new line, two new line, skip sequence in C++, and then we have here the title of our program, \t. The \t here represents horizontal tab. So we have here legal age checker using ternary operator in C++, followed by the semicolon. This will be the title of our program. We will copy this one, new line, and then we will ask the user, enter your age, colon, followed with a semicolon at the end. Next, cin for input, age. We will copy this one. We have here the condition, the ternary operator age greater than or equal to 18, question mark. The first part of our ternary operator, if the true, the true statement. So we will have console out \t you are adult. You are adult already. You are adult. Okay. We have here colon, and then the next line will be the false, let's say \t you are minor. Okay, semicolon. We'll copy this one and then we will copy again, and then by this time we will put \t horizontal tab and of program. That tells that the user that this is only the end of our program. After we have done writing our code, the next step is to save our code. Go to file, save as. Okay, we will create a folder here, new folder. Let's say for example ternary operator. Okay, we will double click the folder, and then we will have legal _age.cpp. This is the file name, the legal _age, and then the extension is .cpp. Save. Okay, let us compile and run our program to check if there are some syntax error. If none, our program will execute. Okay, there is a formatting problem here, so I forgot to put \t. Save, Ctrl S. Compile and run. Let's say for example the age is 15 years old, so you are a minor. True, because in our condition age is 15 is less than, is not greater than to 18, so you are, means it is false, so you are a minor. Okay, so let us go back and run again the program. Run. Let's say the age is 23. You are adult. This is true because the condition is if age greater than or equal to 18, it means that the value that we give to age right now is 23 greater than or equal to 18, so it will display a message on our screen, you are adult. I hope that you have learned something in our tutorial in C++ how to use ternary operators as a conditional statement in C++. In a ternary operator, we have here the first portion, the condition, and then the second portion, if it is true, the statement, and if it is false, the second statement will be displayed on the screen. Before we end, please click the like button if you like this video tutorial, and leave a comment section. Comment in our comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials. Thank you very much guys for watching. Until next time, bye bye for now.